Want to boost your car's performance without burning a hole in your wallet? In this video, we're diving into the top 5 affordable car mods that offer real results. Whether you're looking for more horsepower, better handling, or just a more exciting drive, these budget-friendly upgrades will give you serious bang for your buck. Let's get started. First on the list is the cold air intake. This simple mod replaces your stock air filter and intake box with a system that brings in cooler, denser air. Why does that matter? Because colder air has more oxygen, and more oxygen means more power. The result? You can see a horsepower gain of 5 to 15 horsepower, improved throttle response, and sometimes even better fuel economy. Most kits cost between $100 and $300 and are easy to install with basic tools. Plenty of users report a noticeable difference in both performance and sound. For many beginners, this is the perfect first step into car modding. Next up is the performance exhaust system. Swapping out your restrictive factory exhaust for a high-flow system helps your engine breathe better, leading to increased horsepower and torque. You also get that deep, aggressive exhaust note that makes your car sound like it means business. Depending on your vehicle, you can expect gains of 5 to 10 horsepower and improved efficiency. Catback systems are especially popular for being affordable and easy to install. A good quality exhaust can cost anywhere from $300 to $600 and offers performance and style in one package. One of the most powerful mods you can do without opening the hood is ECU tuning. Your car's engine control unit manages everything from fuel delivery to ignition timing. Reprogramming it can unlock hidden performance. With a proper tune, you can expect gains of 10 to 30 horsepower or more depending on your car. It's especially effective for turbocharged engines. You can use handheld tuners, OBD2 devices, or go to a professional tuner for a custom map. Tuning can also improve throttle response, shift points, and fuel efficiency. Just make sure to go with a reputable service to avoid damaging your engine. Popular brands include Cobb, SCT, and HP tuners. Handling is just as important as horsepower. That's where suspension upgrades come in. Swapping out your stock shocks, struts, or springs can dramatically improve cornering and ride feel. Affordable coilovers or lowering springs can reduce body roll and give you a more connected driving experience. Some kits start as low as $250, and you can install them yourself if you're comfortable with basic mechanical work. This mod is perfect for those who love spirited driving or want better control without spending thousands on a full track setup. Lastly, let's talk about lightweight wheels. Reducing unsprung weight, the weight not supported by your suspension, makes your car more responsive and agile. Lighter wheels improve acceleration, braking, and handling. The benefits are even more noticeable on smaller cars or performance builds. There are plenty of stylish, affordable options in the $400 to $800 range for a full set. Just make sure to pick the right size and bolt pattern for your car. Brands like Enkei, Koenig, and Motegi offer excellent value. So there you have it. 5 affordable mods that can seriously upgrade your car's performance. Cold air intakes, performance exhausts, ECU tuning, suspension upgrades, and lightweight wheels. Each one offers a unique boost, and together they can transform your daily driver into a performance machine. Which mod are you planning to try first? Drop your answers in the comments and share your own modding experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more budget-friendly car content coming your way. See you in the next one.